Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I wish you all are fit and fine. Children, how many of you have seen the sea? Did you like it? Did you play in the water? What did you like most about the sea? We all like to play in the water and make sandcastle near the sea. So, let us learn about coastal plains and islands. So, dear students, first of all, I would like to tell you about the meaning of coast. What is coast? The area of land that is next to or close to the sea, okay, is called coast. Or we can say land along the sea. Now, what is island? Piece of land surrounded by water is called an island. So, as I told you, the area of land that is next to or close to the sea. You can see this area. This is close to the sea or near the sea. It is called as coastline. There are a number of ports along the coast of India. India has about 6,000 kilometers long coastlines. On the west, between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea, is the Western Coastal Plains. It is narrow plain sandwiched between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. Why it is called like a sandwich? Because it is between the Western Ghats and the Arabian Sea. You can see this highlighted part. This is a Western Coastal Plains. Okay. Now you can see this. This is Eastern Coastal Plains because this is eastern side. On the east, between the Eastern Ghats and the Bay of Bengal. Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. Between this line. Eastern Ghat and Bay of Bengal. Between is the Eastern Coastal Plains. Okay. This is Western Coastal Plains and this is Eastern Coastal Plain. Do you know, children? These plains meet at Kanyakumari. Here, these plains, Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plains meet here at Kanyakumari. Okay. India has an extremely long coastline, so it can use ships to transport large quantities of goods into and out of the country. Now, you can see this map. The Western Coastal Plain divided into three parts. Western Coastal Plains divided into three parts. Number one is Gujarat coast. Number two is Konkan coast. And number three is Malabar coast. Okay. Western Ghats. This Western Coastal Plains is divided into three parts. Okay. You can see this map. Okay. The Western Coastal Plain divided into three parts. Number one is Gujarat coast. Number two is Konkan coast and number three is Malabar coast. Now you can see Eastern. The Eastern Coastal Plain divided into two parts. Okay, first one is Coromandel coast and the second one is Northern coast. Okay, this is divided into two parts. Coromandel coast, Northern coast. Now you can see this map. The Gujarat coast is stretched from Gulf of Kutch to the Gulf of Khambat. Okay. It is stretched from Kutch to Khambat. And Konkan coast, it is stretched from Mumbai to Goa. And the Malabar coast, it is stretched Goa to Cape Comorin. Okay, it is Goa to Cape Comorin. This is the division of Gujarat coast, the Konkan coast and the Malabar coast. The southern half part of the Eastern Coastal Plain is called the Coromandel coast. Okay, it includes the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu. You can see here Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, here Odisha, West Bengal and Union Territory of Puducherry. Okay, now let's talk about the Northern Sarkars. Okay. The southern part of the Eastern Coastal Plain is called the Northern Sarkars. The major parts of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha come under the Northern Sarkars. Now let's talk about the islands. There are two groups of islands away from the coast of the India. Okay, they are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Island. These two islands are union territories of India. You can see in this picture, this is a Lakshadweep island. This is the small dots group of islands. These are two groups of about 36 island. Okay, this is Lakshadweep island. Now see this picture. This is the Andaman and Nicobar islands. This Andaman and Nicobar islands. Okay, there are two groups of about 300 islands. Port Blair is the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar islands. The northern part is called the Andaman island and the southern part is called the Nicobar island. The smallest union territories of India is the Lakshadweep Islands. It is a group of 36 islands, out of which only 10 islands are inhabited. I hope children you all understood about the coastal plains and